In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a running drill onto a chair. So firstly, if you're in a gym, you can do exactly the same as what I'm about to show you on a bench. But whether you use a bench or a chair, there's one really important thing to know, is that you want to have it against an object. For example, like I've got a wall here that isn't going to move. The last thing you want to do is a power and a strength exercise onto something that's going to move. All of a sudden, the chair or bench you're using completely topples over and causes complete embarrassment in the gym. So first things first, I'm going to show you this really slowly, and then I'm going to go through it quick, and then I'm going to go through why this is important. So firstly, we're going to come into a reverse lunge position and then forwards like so. Okay, so my leg is coming back, and then it's going to come as quickly as possible and accelerate really quickly onto the chair. So what I'm going to do now is show you how we can do this and add more power. So I'm going to keep the torso upright, I'm looking forwards, one leg's going to come back, both feet are pointing forwards as I do this. Straight away then balance, stabilize, and from here I've got that hip extension straight into hip flexion, two very important dynamics and biomechanics of running. So what you'll notice is as I'm doing that, I've got my balance happening on my left side, right? So not only am I trying to incorporate power and speed of this right leg, the left leg is doing a lot of balance work here to try and stabilize my body. So you'll often notice with regards people, they'll have one side they're really strong with, and the other side is nowhere near as powerful. It isn't as stable, and that's really important and key to running because you want good balance and stability as well as good power off the blocks, especially if you're sprinting or doing uphill running or things like that, or treks. So on the other side, we're going to come back first into that lunge, straight up. Once you do that, that's one repetition, so you'd repeat for your desired repetitions and sets. And you would do exactly the same on one leg and then do exactly the same on the other.